I ate the whole turkey bone. Hello everyone, this is Jordan Shields, and as you saw earlier, I finished a whole turkey bone for Thanksgiving. I had a great Thanksgiving time with my family and stuff. Today I'm here to show you what comes next. You guessed it, Christmas is coming next month. On the 25th of Christmas Day. What I'm also looking forward to is Happy New Year's as well. That is something to look forward to. Plus, I'm going to Arizona to visit my other family there, and I won't be returning to Illinois until either in the end of January or the middle of February, depending on the cold weather they're having. Well, that's all I have to say for now. This is part 2 of the Thanksgiving video. Hope you all have a great time and a great holiday seasons. This is Jordan Shields, and I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, sayonara.